Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix not getting emails from Steam. For my case, guys, I also don't get my emails from Steam. I don't know why, but I'm going to show you how to fix this. The only reason is because your email application, your Gmail application is full. This is because your Google gives you storage of a certain percentage, and once your storage is full, you'll stop receiving emails as it is indicated. So inclusively, emails from Steam will also stop coming. So guys, if I come to my email application over here, you can see that they say you'll stop getting emails on 3rd May. And if you check today is 25th April, this means within 8 days from now, I'll stop receiving emails. This could be the case with you guys. What you have to do is simple. You have to clear up some storage on your Gmail application in the drive. Just come and tap on clean up space. Once you tap on clean up space, you then be loaded to your storage application over here. As you can see, I have storage of 15.22 GB and it's already full. So to do, guys, just come over here and then clean up a few things. You can clean up a few email attachments. You can clean up large photos and videos. You can clean up files in trash. So I would advise you to clean up large photos and videos. Just come on review over here and then go ahead and choose those large photos and files which are obviously useless to you. Just go ahead and choose them. Once you choose them, go ahead and clean them, and then once you clean them, you receive emails from Steam promptly. Thanks for watching, guys. That's it for me today. We shall meet once again.